Tips for improving your interactions with women. Improving your interactions with women, whether in friendships, relationships, or professional settings, involves practicing good communication, empathy, and respect. Here are some tips to enhance your interactions. Active listening. Pay close attention to what women are saying, and show that you value their perspective. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share more. Respect boundaries. Respect personal boundaries, both physical and emotional. Always ask for consent and respect their decisions. Avoid stereotyping. Avoid making assumptions or generalizations based on gender. Recognize that every woman is unique and has her own experiences, interests, and preferences. Empathy. Seek to understand the emotions and perspectives of women. Empathize with their experiences and feelings. Open communication. Encourage open and honest communication. Create a safe space for women to express their thoughts and feelings. Equality. Promote equality in all interactions. Treat women as equals, whether in personal relationships or professional settings. Support goals. Support women in pursuing their goals, aspirations, and passions. Encourage their personal and professional growth. Compliments. Give sincere compliments that focus on their qualities, achievements, or actions. Avoid objectifying or superficial remarks. Consistency. Be consistent in your interactions. Treat women with respect and kindness consistently, regardless of the context. Conflict resolution. Learn to resolve conflicts respectfully. Use effective communication to address issues and work together to find solutions. Diverse interests. Be open to diverse interests and hobbies that women may have. Show interest in their passions and ask questions to learn more. Sense of humor. Use humor to create positive connections. Shared laughter can strengthen relationships. Self-reflection. Reflect on your own biases, beliefs, and behaviors. Be open to personal growth and improvement in how you interact with women. Positive body language. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain eye contact, use open and friendly gestures, and avoid actions that may make women uncomfortable. Respect consent. Always prioritize consent in intimate or physical interactions. Consent should be enthusiastic, clear, and freely given. Remember that respectful and empathetic interactions are essential, and these tips can apply to all interactions, regardless of gender. Building positive connections with women and treating them with dignity and respect contributes to healthier and more meaningful relationships.